So I just picked up an HTC Wildfire S, and that's the box, and these are the specs. Note the memory: 512 MB ROM and 512 MB RAM, 600 MHz processor. So although the box says 512 MB, there's only 150 allocated to internal storage that runs all the programs, and that's the whole problem with this phone. And the highest thing you can see that runs on the phone is Adobe Reader at 7 MB. The contact storage is just 5.4 MB. Right now I have phone contacts, about 500 phone contacts on the phone, but once on Facebook I have another 500 contacts, but once you install Facebook it bloats up to 40 or 50 MB, and your internal storage then goes down to 20 MB. Add a few applications here and there and your internal memory free space goes to less than 25. At 25 MB you can't run anything. The mail doesn't sync, nothing works. It keeps showing you low internal memory messages. The other problem is also, and I'm not sure if it's a problem with the OS or with HTC, is that all programs installed with the OS, you can't move to SD card. As you can see, it's not highlighted. Yeah, so there's no way of moving any of these programs to your internal SD card. There's the same thing with YouTube. It's the same thing with anything that would take more space. Maps, you can't move to SD card, and any of the programs installed with the OS. But as a smartphone, this thing is pretty much useless. Once you install Facebook on it. So just a warning to you: if you're considering buying Wildfire S, don't buy it. So that's all the stuff installed on it. And most of the stuff installed here came installed on the phone.